Try these 25 Linux operating system MCQs. Let's begin. Question 1. Linux is a type of A. Application software. B. Operating system. C. Database. D. Compiler. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Operating system. Question 2. Who created Linux? A. Bill Gates. B. Steve Jobs. C. Linus Torvalds. D. Mark Zuckerberg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Linus Torvalds. Question 3. Linux is mainly known as A. Proprietary software. B. Open source software. C. Paid software. D. Gaming software. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Open source software. Question 4. Which Linux file system is commonly used? A. FAT32. B. NTFS. C. Extension 4. D. APFS. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Extension 4. Question 5. Which symbol represents the root directory in Linux? A. \, B. /, C. #, D. @ 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. /. Question 6. Which user has maximum privileges in Linux? A. Guest. B. Admin. C. Root. D. System. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Root. Question 7. Which symbol represents the home directory? A. @ B. tilde. C. #, D. /. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. tilde. Question 8. Which Linux editor is command line based? A. Paint. B. VI. C. Word. D. Excel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. VI. Question 9. Which Linux editor is beginner friendly? A. Nano. B. grep. C. tar. D. chmod. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Nano. Question 10. Linux is based on which operating system concept? A. Windows. B. Unix. C. DOS. D. Android. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Unix. Question 11. Which Linux distributed is developed by Red Hat? A. Ubuntu. B. Fedora. C. Kali Linux. D. Debian. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Fedora. Question 12. Which Linux distribution is popular for beginners? A. Ubuntu. B. Arch Linux. C. Kali Linux. D. Gentoo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Ubuntu. Question 13. Which Linux distribution is widely used for cybersecurity testing? A. Fedora. B. Debian. C. Kali Linux. D. Ubuntu. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Kali Linux. Question 14. Which Linux component directly interacts with hardware? A. Shell. B. Kernel. C. Terminal. D. GUI. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Kernel. Question 15. Which command displays the current directory in Linux? A. dir. B. pwd. C. path. D. cd. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. pwd. Question 16. Which command changes the current directory? A. md. B. cd. C. rd. D. is. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. cd. Question 17. Which command creates a new directory? A. mkdir. B. rmdir. C. touch. D. pwd. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. mkdir. Question 18. Which command removes an empty directory? A. Del, B. Erase, C. Rmdir, D. Rm file. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Rmdir. Question 19. Which command deletes files in Linux? A. Delete, B. Del, C. Rm, D. Erase. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Rm. Question 20. Which command copies files? A. Move, B. Cp, C. Mv, D. Paste. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Cp. Question 21. Which command moves or renames files? A. Cp, B. Rm, C. Mv, D. Mkdir. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Mv. Question 22. Which command clears the terminal screen? A. Clean, B. Erase, C. Clear, D. CLS. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Clear. Question 23. Which command shows the current date and time? A. Date, B. Time, C. Clock, D. Now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Date. Question 24. Which command displays system calendar? A. Cal, B. Date, C. Time, D. Month. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Cal. Question 25. Which command terminates a process? A. Stop, B. End, C. Kill, D. Remove. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Kill. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes.